In these fast-changing times, India is experiencing comprehensive infrastructural developments owing to massive projects like skyscrapers, airfields, dams, bridges, highways, etc. But is the steel produced for modern construction equipped to carry the load of highly increasing quality demands? Yes, the Indian steel sector is definitely competent enough and deserving credit for the same is a dependable steel manufacturing company. Shri Jai Balaji Steel Rolling Mills Limited, producing impeccable TMT steel bars branded as Century TMT Bars. The high-tech Century TMT Bars production plant is efficient enough to satisfy all kinds of infrastructural quality demands. The Century TMT Bars suit the constantly developing civic infrastructure with proficiency, meeting all international quality standards. Within a short span, Century Steel Bars, with its implausible potential to manufacture all superior grades of TMT steel like the Fe415, Fe500, Fe550, Fe600, Fe415D, Fe500D and Fe550D has made its place on an equal platform as of its counterparts. Its features of high load-bearing capacity, superior earthquake and fire resistance make Century TMT bars competent enough in the market.
Well, it's good that the steel manufacturing industry has adopted the new norms, and currently what we are seeing that a lot many re-rolling units are coming up, and they are managing their business with the latest machineries, which gives us good product, and happy to see the quality. We have been using for almost 10 years now that kind of steel which is good enough to meet the requirement. Well, I'm glad that Century is making good quality of TMT steel bars. We have used their product in a couple of projects, and we had no problem in construction as the quality is really good, and all the parameters of the quality have been managed well within the limits. And another advantage of using Century TMT bars is it's a recycled steel there, which gives you advantage of practicing green architecture.
Having acquired the golden experience of over 2 decades in iron and steel trading and manufacturing, Shri Jai Balaji Steel Rolling Mills Limited, based in Muzaffarnagar, manufactures Century TMT steel bars, imbibed with all international qualities. The well-equipped melting units and induction furnaces are located in Meerut district. Century TMT bars have an incredible quality called Flexicon that gives the bars immense flexibility to withstand any condition. Besides these, implausible features like high durability, optimum rust resistance and maximum gripping power adorn the very reliable and trustworthy Century TMT bars. With state-of-art production plant equipped with every kind of sophisticated machinery, a resplendent laboratory for research and development, according to the global steel sector, and the widest spread network of duty-bound dealers and distributors who make it available everywhere. For any business entity managing flawless administrative, production and distribution departments simultaneously with equal proficiency is certainly a matter of immense credit. And Shri Jai Balaji Steel Rolling Mills Limited displays the same under the cohesive supervision of three masterminds: Shri Shashank Kumar Jain, Shri Gaurav Swaroop, and Shri Akash Kumar. With visionary far-sightedness, futuristic approach, and a strong-headed attitude, these pillars of the group have been the real support and motivation for the entire staff to be on the run and produce overwhelmingly powerful product, Century TMT bars. The group's financial charts certainly reflect the company's continuous growth.
हमने अभी हाल ही में नॉर्थ इंडियन मार्केट में सेंचुरी टीएमटी लॉन्च किया है। मुझे बहुत खुशी है इस बात की। बिल्डर्स को और डीलर्स को हमने अपना मटेरियल भेजा है, उन सभी ने उसकी क्वालिटी को बहुत पसंद किया है। हम भविष्य में भी नई नई तकनीकों का समावेश करते हुए अपने उत्पाद को और अधिक बेहतर बनाने की कोशिश करेंगे। सेंचुरी टीएमटी ये नाम जो निकल के आया, ये अपने नाम को सार्थक करता है कि हमारा उत्पाद आपको सदियों तक सुरक्षा देने में सक्षम है।
After knowing so much about the vivacious group, every inquisitive mind would be eager to peep into its core, the manufacturing plant, and its highly set standards. So, have a look. The manufacturing plant of Century TMT bars is well equipped, extremely advanced, and designed according to international standards, from the raw material to the final bar. Each production stage passes through rigorous chemical and mechanical tests to ensure the ultimate strength and other features in the steel bars, so that the customer gets the 100% safety of the structure built on Century TMT bars.
पिछले 20 सालों से हम स्टील के बिज़नेस में हैं और जो हमने पिछले 20 साल में देखा है, सब लोग आजकल होड़ में लगे हुए हैं, कितना प्रोडक्शन कर सकते हैं, ज़्यादा प्रोडक्शन की होड़ में लगे हुए हैं, क्वालिटी की तरफ किसी का ध्यान नहीं है। हम लोगों ने क्वालिटी की तरफ ध्यान रखते हुए, जिससे कि क्वालिटी स्टील इंडिया को मिले, हमने ऐसा प्लान लगाया है जिसमें हम क्वालिटी स्टील बनाएं। हम लोग आगे भी हैवी स्ट्रक्चर, इंडस्ट्रियल स्ट्रक्चर में भी जा रहे हैं, जिसमें भी क्वालिटी हम ऐसी देना चाहते हैं जिससे कि इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर में एक रेवोल्यूशन आए। अपनी क्वालिटी की वजह से ही मैं विश्वास के साथ कह सकता हूं कि जो हमारा ब्रांड है सेंचुरी टीएमटी, वो सुरक्षा सदियों तक आप लोगों को प्रदान करेगा।
The ad campaign was designed to convey this message to all categories of consumers. Century's brand promotion specifically focused on its incomparable attribute, that is, Suraksha Sadiyon Tak. The group, Shri Jai Balaji Steel Rolling Mills Limited and Century TMT bars exhibit flawless performance and is destined to gain immensely in all aspects, thereby extending a dependable hand to the Indian infrastructure of modern times. Century TMT Bar, Suraksha Sadiyon Tak.